Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and I've been gone for a little while. It's been a couple weeks since my last upload. I've been traveling a lot for work over the last 3 weeks or so, and just been really busy at work, so much that my trees have died. This is not fall, it's still the middle of summer in Texas, and yeah, my trees died. This one's kind of maybe okay still, but that one's dead, I think. I don't know. I started watering the heck out of them when I got back from the last trip, so maybe they'll survive. I don't know. But today we're going to do something I've been wanting to do since I got the Vanderhall, and that's take it through the drive-through of a local restaurant or fast food joint. One of the YouTubers that I follow, Vehicle Virgins, he's on YouTube, he's huge, he's got millions of followers. He took a Vanderhall that he got to do a review on or whatever, and took it through a drive-through already. So this has been done. I won't be the first to do it, but it'll be the first time I've taken any kind of crazy car through a drive-through. I've had a couple people comment on the BMW every now and then when I take it through a drive-through, but it's, you know, just whatever. More people, I think, are gonna wonder what the heck this is, and should get a pretty good reaction. Got a little GoPro mount set up here. These little windsocks do a great job. They're only $8. They're on Amazon, and it works great. Without that on there, when you're driving one of these Vanderhalls around, I mean, it's just wind noise the whole time. But with that on there, it's amazing. I just need to find a good way to have that on, and some kind of little handle grip that doesn't make a bunch of noise when you move the camera around. I don't know. But again, those things are awesome. I'll link those in the description below. So yeah, we're gonna get the Vanderhall started up. We gotta clean it off a little bit. It's a little dusty. It's not horrible, but you can see the dust there. So we're gonna clean it before we get started, and yeah, go run and do that. This will just be a little quick video. Like I said, just haven't had a lot of time. Doing a lot of painting lately too. So painting a lot of RC car bodies. Not those up there, but there's a bunch more inside. You can see some randomness here from yesterday's paint. Yeah, so heading off right now. Gonna go get some breakfast at the old Whataburger, and yeah, we'll see you guys there. So most YouTubers that do this end up going through McDonald's or Stradman, Chick-fil-A, and while those are great options, we're in the great state of Texas, and Whataburger is king here, so that's where we're going this morning, as we got this guy behind me filming, it looks like. So we gotta beat him off the line. Here we go. I mean, it's quick, but it ain't that quick. I think a lot of people think they're faster than they are, although this one's not tuned. I haven't driven one that's got a tune. BNR hooked me up. But yeah, here we go. Good old Whataburger. So we'll see what kind of reactions we get from people. I mean, everybody already looked at this thing anyways, so. It's really kind of an odd feeling. Get the other camera started. She's up and running. I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Bacon on a bun. In case you don't know, Dr. Pepper Shake is available at Whataburger. I haven't tried one. I heard they're terrible. And I love Dr. Pepper, so I don't know, maybe one day I'll try it. should have said yes, because then I would have to go to this lane. They almost took me to the outside lane. Okay, so something about a Vanderhall, that if you buy one or you rent one, you got to keep in mind when you go through the drive-thru, is that it's really low. So reaching the window, I'm gonna have to pull really close to those poles there, just so I can reach up to the window, because you sit so low in this thing. But you know, not terrible. Just something to think about. I pulled up to that window a second ago, the one back there, and realized that I was too far away and that wasn't gonna work out. So I gotta pull up real close to this one. Such an odd feeling. What if they can't even see me?
Bob Bacon?
Yep.
Hey, this is cool.
Thanks.
Looks expensive.
They're not too bad. They're not too bad.
There you go.
Thank you. Note to self. When you turn the wheel to leave the drive-thru and you're right next to that pole, the fender gets really close because you've now kicked it out. So keep that in mind when driving your Vanderhall through the drive-thru of your local fast food chain. This guy screwed up my acceleration run. Okay. So, no police officers anywhere. Here we go. Okay, that's it for today. Just wanted to do that quick little drive-through episode that I've been wanting to make for a little while. Just so you guys know, there's no update on the top. The company that I was going to have make it has still not had any time to even look at it or do anything with it. This is really kind of dark in there, but whatever. So no top update. These have been awesome. In case anybody wants to know, the wind wings have been amazing. They work really well at low speed. When you're just kind of putting around, you can pull that one in and really feel the air kind of whip around the end of it. That I think will be beneficial. Well, it's beneficial now in the summer. You know, at least you get a little bit more airflow when you're going slow. When you're driving fast on the highway, you know, you can't really tell. But at slow speed, it's been working well. And I think in the winter, it's going to be actually really nice because you'll want that extra wind coming around the end of it to be kind of blocked so that you can get more of the heat. So that'll be interesting when the weather starts to get kind of cold. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to get in there, enjoy my delicious Whataburger, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace!